Ready to learn about today's reptiles? Well, you're in the right place. Let's learn all about different types of reptiles. Our first reptile today is a gecko. Let's spell it. G-E-C-K-O. Gecko. This is an alligator. Let's spell it. A-L-L-I-G-A-T-O-R. Alligator. This is a cobra. Let's spell it. C-O-B-R-A. Cobra. Quick quiz. What animal makes this sound? Yes, a cobra. Good job. Let's continue. This reptile is called the iguana. Let's spell it. I-G-U-A-N-A. Iguana. This right here is a python. Let's spell it. P-Y-T-H-O-N. Python. Quick quiz. What color is an iguana? Yes, green. You guessed it right. Let's recap on all the reptiles we learned about today. Gecko, alligator, cobra, python, iguana. We reached the last part of our episode. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you in our next Reptile Phonics. Bye, kids!